Hello everyone, my name is Joel Bruce, working as a senior consultant at Alchemist Accounting. We all know that Oman has recently introduced VAT into their tax system. Through this video, we are going to have a basic idea how the VAT system works and how Oman has adapted to it. Before going into Oman VAT, we need to have a clarity on what is VAT, value added tax. In simple terms, VAT is an indirect tax which is levied on the consumption or use of goods and services. So like all other indirect tax, VAT can also be passed on from one entity to another. So at each stage of the supply, your VAT gets added up and finally the end consumer bears the total cost of the VAT. The common question which we find nowadays is VAT an expense for a registered business? Actually, no. The registered business acts like an intermediary or an agent for the government to collect the VAT. So, what does a registered business do? They charge their VAT on the sales, which is the output. At the same time, they recover their VAT from their purchase or expenses, which is their input. And the difference is being settled off with the tax authority. Now, let's take a look at how the VAT system works. But before going to that, let's look at the scenario where there is no VAT. In this example, we have four key players. We have a manufacturer, a wholesaler, a retailer, and finally a consumer. So the manufacturer who manufactures the goods or service sets his selling price at 1000. So the supply is being made to the wholesaler. So the purchase price for the wholesaler is going to be the 1000 and the wholesaler is going to set his selling price at 1500. Again, the supply is being carried forward to the retailer and the purchase price for the retailer is going to be 1500 and now the retailer sets his selling price at 2000 and thus the final supply is being made to the consumer for 2000. So this is how the system was going on before the VAT was coming into action. Now let's look at the situation where the VAT has come into action. We have our same key players, our manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer and consumer. The manufacturer again produces the goods or services and sets his selling price at 1000. But this time, while making the supply, he's going to charge the wholesaler with a VAT of 5%. So the purchase price for the wholesaler is going to be 1050. Again, the wholesaler is going to set his selling price at 1500 and while making the supply to the retailer, he's going to charge the retailer with a VAT of 5%. So thus, for the retailer, the purchase price is going to be 1575. Again, the retailer sets his retail selling price at 2000 and finally he's going to charge the consumer with a VAT of 5%. Thus, the consumer pays 2100. So stage by stage, the VAT is being added up. This is how the situation works with the VAT. Now, let's look at the value of VAT payable to be paid by each of our players. We'll start with the manufacturer. The VAT payable for the manufacturer would be 50 Oman Riyals. 50. The VAT which is charged while making the supply to the wholesaler. For the wholesaler, his VAT payable would be 75 minus 50. 75 is the VAT charged to the retailer and 50 was the VAT which he paid while making the purchase from the manufacturer. Similar thing while coming to the retailer, his VAT payable would be 100 minus 75. 100, the VAT which he charged to the consumer, and 75, the VAT which he paid to the wholesaler. And the difference 25 would be his VAT payable. And finally, the consumer who bears the total cost of the VAT, his VAT payable is 100. So, following UAE, Saudi and Bahrain, now we have Oman also adapting to VAT. Last year, October 12, 2020, Oman officially announced the implementation of VAT. And 180 days from the announcement, which is April 16, 2021, Oman officially implemented VAT into their tax system with a standard rate of 5%, but also provisions for zero rated and extended supplies. So that's about the basic of VAT and how the VAT system works. Do subscribe and stay tuned. In our next video, we're going to look into the VAT registration process in accordance with the Oman VAT regulatory. Thank you.